Friends, you are watching CTD Computer Helpline, and today I discuss about what is SSD. You know about the what is SSD, but I just started this live here for is SSD better than HDD? I mean, is SSD क्या HDD से ज़्यादा पावरफुल है कि ज़्यादा यूज़फुल है? तो first of all, I want to say here the difference between the hard drive and solid state drive, which means SSD, is the technology used to store and retrieve data. Sorry. So you have to know the what is the difference between the hard drive and solid drive in technology use basis. So generally we know the HDD, that is hard disks, are cheaper. Yes. In the price contrast, the hard disks is much more cheaper, and you can get more storage space than SSD. However, the faster, lighter, and more durable use less energy. It is SSD. Yes, SSD is much more faster, much more lighter in weight, and much more durable. And it also takes less energy for uh, in terms of the electricity consumed. That is, will take more less energy. So your needs to dictate the which storage drive is will work best for you. So this is your opinion that which storage drive will best for you. So there is much more. Uh, what can I say? Okay, let me talk another thing. That what is SSD used for? You have to ask so many times why. What is SSD used for? Stand for solid disk state drive, that an SSD is type of mass storage device similar to a hard disk drive, that is hard disk HDD. It supports reading and writing data and maintains stored data in permanent state, even without power. An internal SSD connect to a computer like a hard drive using standard ID or SATA connection also. So another question is coming in our mind, that is what is SSD in laptop? Yes, today actually we are working, we are very much busy nowadays. So laptop is very useful for our daily life. So what is SSD in laptop? An SSD, that is solid state drive, is a type of non-volatile storage. Friends, actually I'm using here some technical terms, that is non-volatile storage, volatile storage, etc., etc. If you want to know about these terms, technical terms, you can comment me in my comment box. I can give you answer. Anyway, uh, to continue, SSD is a type of non-volatile storage media that store data on solid-state flash memory. And you know the businesses and computer manufacturer have used spinning disks, that is historically owing to their lower unit cost and higher average durability. All the SSD are now common in desktop and laptop PCs. So that is the main thing. And most of all, is SSD, why SSD is faster? This is the most important question. Why SSD is faster? Rather, information is stored in microchips, which we can. I just want to tell you one thing, that rather information is stored in microchips. Conversely, a hard disk drive uses a mechanical arm with a read-write head and to move around, read information from the right location on a storage platter. The difference is what makes SSD speed so much faster. This is a non-volatile type of memory. So this is the uh, main reason why SSD is faster. And the next most common question is what is the lifespan of SSD? Yes, this is most crucial and most important question, I think. Uh, Actually, the warranty of the name SSD is 10 years. Yes, the warranty of the mm, SSD is 10 years. Also, TLC drives do not have a height. The 1 TB model of the Samsung like 850 VO series, which is equipped with low price rather than TLC storage type, can expect a lifespan of 114 years. Yes, lifespan is 114 years of TLC storage types. So you can go for SSD. That is the main thing. And next thing is the can SSD fail? Yes, solid state drive are faster, more stable, conserve less power than traditional hard disk drive, but SSD are not flawless and can fail before their expected lifespan of 5 to 7 years. Yes, SSD can fail in between 5 to 7 years. It is best to prepare an uh, eventual uh, backup, and it is best to prepare for an eventual failure also. And most student asks me that does SSD make my computer faster? uh, it is the speed of this primary advantage of an SSD over the traditional hard disk. This make an SSD the single best upgraded of your computer. If you are looking for a way to make it operate faster, a new SSD can speed up your computer in several ways. Boot times will significantly reduced, yes. And do I need the SSD drive? This is the most another question. That do I need the SSD drive is there. One thing, my actually my camera is rotating now. Please, just a minute. Sorry. Just a minute. Hold on, please. Oh my God. Sorry. Yes, now it's okay. uh, what I'm saying there, does SSD make my computer faster? Yes, I already answered this question. And do I need SSD drive? Yes. Do you really need SSD or solid drive? This is the most common question. But SSD have been as marketed quite a few years now, but not a lot of people know that what they do. Essentially, SSD are the upgrade toward the older hard disks, and they offer faster boot times, faster processing speed, but at substantially higher cost. It is the most thing. And what does a RAM in a computer? Computer memory also related to your fundamental thing, that will be how SSD is doing their performance. Computer memory is a random access memory. You know the RAM in your system short-term data storage. It stores information of your computer actively using so that it can access quickly. The more program of your system running, the more memory will be needed. So that is the no fundamental that the SSD is there. And the most important is what is the disadvantage of SSD. The first is lifespan. The top disadvantage of SSD is the lifespan over the hard disks. That is, SSD is low lifespan and in respect of hard disks. Second thing is cost. Yes, cost is the most important thing in our today's life. Though in comparison to the hard disks, SSD price is much higher than hard disks. And in respect of storage, there is a less storage than hard disk. So you can think about this, but SSD is needed because SSD your make your PC faster, SSD make your laptop faster, and you can go for SSD. If you take my advice, you can go for SSD. At least you can take your additionally 120 GB SSD and with your existing hard disk, so that your PC will be running faster, much more faster and enlightening faster. I am assure you. So you can go for SSD, and there is no such particular company. I'll just refer you here. You can go for any company. Both all are the same, but brand is different. But all are the same at present scenario also. So you can go for anything, any company for buying SSD. And so if you ask any type of further question regarding SSD and for like gaming PC, like your experimental something, some video, some graphical project, you can ask me in my comment box. I will read it for your answer. Thank you for watching this live event. Actually, we are planning to regularly do some live telecast for our subscriber. If you like this, you can subscribe my channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.